Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. Can your diaper changing table do this? Well, this diaper changing table by Sweeby is on wheels, so it's nice and portable. Don't worry, you can lock them so it doesn't roll away. Now, you may not have ever thought you needed a portable changing table, but let me tell you why it's so great. I can easily move this from room to room in my house. How often have you wanted to change up the baby's room, the nursery, and lifting that heavy changing table just wasn't going to happen? Well, now you can move it around freely with this portable changing station. Not only does it roll, but it also folds up, which is so convenient if you have a smaller apartment or home and space is really an issue. Or maybe you just babysit and you don't want to have it out all of the time. This changing table is recommended for up to 12 months or about 25 pounds because it does have a nice solid metal construction, but it has plastic joints. So you do want to make sure you are paying attention to the weight. The space inside is nice and roomy. It has these really tall sides, which I appreciate because if you have a flailing infant, which sometimes happens during diaper changes, you don't have to worry about them rolling away. It also has a nice deep pocket on one side and a metal basket on the other, so there is no lack of storage space. In addition to that, it has two shelves, which you can hold blankets, extra diapers, toys, whatever you need. The material is nice and easy to wipe down and keep. As far as portable changing tables go, this one is top notch, and that's my point of view.